Hello, I'm here in my computer and my idea I would like to show you what I'm planning to do for my island, okay? I have this piece of paper that I would like to explain, okay? I would like to divide my island in four areas. Okay, here we'll have one, two, three, four, and I will start thinking what I can do first for this area. Okay, let's start. Here, for example, I would like to create something that looks like a maze. Okay, with different aisles, different part that the student they can walk through all those walls, and then they can discover, for example, this panel. I would like to put, for example, one panel here for a gallery of photography, or maybe I can put another panel here on this area, and they can watch, let's say, a video, a YouTube video with instruction. Also, they can read different techniques. I mean, in this area, it's like a gallery, but also they can read different techniques, okay? And they have to walk through all this wall, okay? And then on the other part, maybe I'm gonna create a road here, okay, to go to another area. And this area, I would like to create maybe one big structure like this, okay. And here I would like to do different work, okay, or different things that student they can visit with different platforms here, okay. And then here you can walk through. Here you have to climb this, okay, or you can fly also, and then you can see more panels with different things, okay. I'm thinking how they can learn different elements. For example, I would like to put videos or presentation, like a PowerPoint presentation or keynote, okay. And also I would like to give to the student that they can exhibit different things here on this area, okay. Then I would like to create another road, okay, to go to this part. And here I would like to create, for example, something that looks like a river, okay, and that they have to go to this flow on this river. They can navigate, okay, and on this river they can take, for example, I don't know, a boat, okay, and inside the boat they can share different experience, okay, the student with all the things that they can present on the different galleries. And on this river will go to a big lagoon on this area, okay, and in this big lagoon you can rest, but it's a very good way to take a reflection, okay, on this area. And I am trying to build all this concept, okay, on my island, and I'm using a few software, okay. I'm trying to decide which one is much better. For example, I like to use Blender, okay. Blender is a great software that you can create different organic element, okay. You can scale the element here. I can create different. It's very similar than Google SketchUp, okay, but Blender is very powerful, okay. But since we don't need something that powerful, Google SketchUp is a very good option to use, okay. One of the things that I recommend you to use if you are using Google SketchUp, I know we have different libraries, okay, but the first thing that I recommend you to do, get rid of this guy, okay, and then you can start building elements. For example, I'm gonna build a small house, okay, something like this, and then I can extrude this. I'm gonna put, for example, another element here, okay, and then I can push this inside, okay. You can see then you will have a space here. I'm gonna press the key O, okay, to change the orientation, okay, and then you can create one element here you can walk through, okay. After you create element, okay, what you have to do here, you have to go to the file and you have to export, okay, this 3 model, okay. And I'm gonna export this one like a 1, 2, 3, whatever name, okay. And you have to export as a collada file, okay, and then just select export, okay. Then the second, I would like to export another element, but what I recommend you to do, okay, select all the surfaces that you don't need. For example, you don't need that area, okay. You don't need here the part on the roof, okay, because that area is too redundant. Because I'm gonna export the physics, okay, and you can save a lot of kilobytes, okay, if you get rid of all these elements that you don't need, okay. I mean, you have to start looking the whole thing here, okay, and then you can start removing all the things that you don't need, okay. For example, also I'm gonna remove this line on that area, okay? And then export again. I'm gonna select export here, 3D model again. Okay, I'm gonna do instead 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, just to remember that is the physics. Okay, the other software that I use, okay, I also will use very often is this one is Strata. Okay, and in Strata I create a few elements. For example, this is one of the elements that I would like to include. Okay, on my island. Okay, and the student they can walk through here. They can see different exhibits. Okay, and also this is one of the elements that I would like to include. For example, here in Strata is pretty cool because you can select between different elements. You can do this on the island, but I feel super comfortable with this software if I have to build elements. Okay, and maybe I'm gonna use this software because I feel is pretty cool. Okay, and you can export as well a colada element. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to go to the island. Okay, I'm here on the island, and here I'm gonna give you my back. Sorry about that. Okay, and here that is the element that I import, and I'm trying to build that. Okay, but I'm gonna show you how you can import element here. Okay, on the island. Okay, I'm gonna select my suitcase. I'm gonna select here. Okay, to add the plus. Okay, I believe you already know this part. I'm gonna select upload, and I'm gonna select upload a model. Okay, and here I have the 1, 2, 3, the element that I would like to import. Okay, I'm gonna select open. Okay, and here you can zoom in and you can see this element. Oh, it's going just one part. Okay, let me double check. Okay, I'm gonna import again, upload the model. I'm gonna import the 456. I don't know why it's not importing, but okay, I'm gonna use just this one. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in here. Okay, you can see more detail on this part. Okay, and that is the element that you can import. But the important part, what you have to do, you have to select here physics. Okay, and here you can select the level of detail. I'm gonna select choose and select from file. Okay, browse and now select the file, the 456. I don't know what happened with the 1, 2, 3. I have to double check. Maybe I had one wall selected. Okay, and then export just the wall. I believe it was that. Okay, but then you have to select here open and you will import, okay, the physics from there. Okay, that is the idea. Okay, just select calculate and then select upload. Okay, and at the end you will be able to drag and drop to your island. Okay, and the thing is when you walk through that element. Okay, let me get rid of this. Okay, when you walk, this is just the physics. You can see you can go through the walls. You can see the physics. Okay, and that is pretty cool because, for example, I import the physics. Okay, for this big thing that I import on this area, and if you see, I can go through here. Okay, and if you don't import the physics, then you can't walk here. All right, I have to import the physics. That is very important. Okay, let me show you my island. What I have so far. I don't have a lot. Okay, here I start building the river. Okay, this is the idea of my river. Okay, I'm trying to give all this part. I have to put a lot of stuff here. Okay, you will see more things here. Okay, let me go up to show you the from the top part. Okay, up, wrong. Okay, and I go here. Okay, that is the idea. Looks kind of a, I don't know, like a dragon. Okay, something like that. Okay, that is the idea of my river, but I have to continue working on it. Okay, all right, let's go down, stop flying until you can fly up. Okay, then let me go to the labyrinth. Okay, in this area, I start building this structure. I like to take advantage of the of the ground. Okay, because you can start building this kind of stuff. Okay, you see, it looks kind of cool. Okay, you can go on this labyrinth. Okay, I would like to go here inside to show you. It looks very oniric. Okay, you see, I can go through the wall. And for example, this is one example. Okay, here I have a paint that I did. Okay, it has to load a little bit, so I kind of low resolution. There you can see. Okay, and the student, they will be able to watch this. They can watch, for example, videos of how you can create something like this. Okay, with instruction like a tutorial. Okay, you can see that is the concept. Okay, and then they can go, they can continue. Okay, to go to other part. I would like to integrate all the elements that I create. Okay, I would like to integrate with the island. Okay, because the island can be one more element. Okay, that we can integrate with the element that I would like to teach. In that case, if you integrate the island, you justify why the island exists. Why you don't use YouTube or maybe a model to teach the same thing? I would like the island has to be one actor, okay, in this project. Okay, that is the idea. And the name of the island is Eugenio Trainer. Okay, because I would like to show a lot of my work. Okay, and also I would like to teach class. Okay, all right. This is the idea, but I have to work a lot. Okay, I have to um, work on include all the elements. Okay, but I'm very excited because at the end I have the idea. All right. I hope you like, guys. Okay, see you on the next video. Bye.